Hey everybody, this is Kevin with Texas Yard Man and More. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your battery out of your Kia Sportage, and this works for other models as well, but this is a 2020 Sportage S. So right here is where you're going to have to access your battery, and the first thing you got to do is remove these two key scraps, or these are retainer clips. You can get a tool like this. I bought mine off of TikTok, but you can also find these in other places online, and it's a really handy tool. You get up underneath these clips like so, and then they pull out, and there's two of them. You want to put those off to the side somewhere where they won't get lost. And then this is where your air intake is. This brings air in from the front side of your vehicle through the radiator area. And once you get those two clips out, you can just simply pull this up. Just set that over to the side. Now you're able to access where the battery is at. You're going to need a 10mm wrench or socket, and you're going to flip this clip up. There's your positive terminal, here's your negative, and all you got to do is loosen these nuts right here. Get your negative and your positive, and then these will come off the terminal. You can go ahead and close that, and then just tuck this down inside there just to get it out of your way. And then here's your negative. You're going to go ahead and just pull up on that or wiggle it, and you'll put that up here to get it out of the way. And then you have a sleeve right here that goes around the outside of your battery. It's just there to protect it. You're going to go ahead and remove that. Now you have access to your battery. At this point, it's still not going to pull up. So if you look right down here, you've got a 13, well, actually it's a 12mm bolt. You're going to need a socket or a wrench. I happen to have a 3/8 ratchet with an extension on it, and you're going to go ahead and get down in there and just loosen that. What that does is that holds the battery in place so that it doesn't move around. So just remove the bracket. Looks like that. And if you see, that's it from the side. It holds the battery down. Just set that off to the side, and then you should be able to pull this battery out now. This battery has a handle on it, so you can go ahead and pull the battery out. We'll just set it over here temporarily. You never want to set a battery on a concrete floor or anything like that. And that is all it takes to remove your battery. It's a very easy process. The other parts are just over here away from it, where the compartment is, and that's how you do it. You just reverse the steps to put the new battery in. Make sure that your connections are tight when you do that, and hope you got something out of this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video if this helped you. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.